What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So today we have the gray box, all gray around, OG style box with the red Jumpman on the top. And we have the Air Jordan 13 Retro, Gym Red, Black, Flint, Gray, White. Do have the white paper, no quality control sticker, or there's no white and green sticker also. Alright, so we got the Jordan 13 Red Flint. The bottom, we have the white, red, and black. White herringbone traction. And you have that red hologram with the black Jumpman. Black carbon fiber. You got white and gray on the midsole. Got that gray suede. The back, the gray coming around to the back. Then you have the hologram right there with the 23 and the Jumpman. I keep my plastic on. I think the plastic is on all my 13s. I just leave them on there. I don't really take them off. And you have this red mesh. It's a gym red. It's not a bright red. It's not a bright red, and it's not a dark red. It's just like right in the middle. So it's a nice red. I like the red on it. You got that tumble leather on the toe box. White tumble leather. Then you have that Jordan right there, and behind that you have the Roman numeral 13 right there, the X and the 3I. You got some white laces, white perforated tongue going up. You have the black Jumpman. The sock liner is red. You got that red sock liner with a white insole and a red Jumpman. These are pretty nice. I like these. These are very similar to the Flint 13. It's just the red version. And I like that they do they're starting to do like different colors and stuff like that. But don't go crazy like they're already going crazy with the 13s with the leather side panel. They have a lot of different colors in those, so they might start doing a lot of different colors in this mesh with the 3M. I don't think it should go too crazy on that though. Just keep it real simple. Probably do a couple other colors and that's it. But the suede on these, suede is pretty nice. The same suede on all 13. You got that suede on the midsole and on the side, but it's pretty nice. Nice color shift and everything. The tongue quality, the leather, I think this is synthetic leather on the tongue right here. The toe box is okay, but it's a clean colorway for the spring, summer. Let me know what y'all think about these. I'm gonna show y'all the Flint and show y'all similarity, how similar it is to this. So we got the Flints right here, very similar. The only difference is they should have put a red Jumpman right there on the tongue, just like on the Flints. Just like on the Flints, they got the blue Jumpman, but on these they have black. But as you can see, it's pretty much the same thing. One is blue and one is red. You got the same tab right here, black with white. The sock liner, where you got blue, you got red. But the insole of the Flint is blue with a UNC blue Jumpman. And on these you have white with the red Jumpman. But other than that, everything is pretty much the same. Now I'm going to show y'all how the 3M look. And then we're going to get it to the on foot. Alright, so this is what the 3M look like. The 3M's looking crazy on these, man. I like the 3M. I like that they bring the 3M back. The 2013 pair didn't have the 3M. They was crazy for taking off the 3M off of that, in my opinion, but they got the 3M back on these, and it's looking nice. So when the light hit it, it's gonna be reflecting crazy. So let me know in the comments below which one y'all like better, the red Flints or the original blue. Let me know. Alright, so like this video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that on foot.